Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. We're going over the PUR Midnight Masquerade palette, which is absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. And I created this look right here using just this palette alone. If you guys have hooded eyes like I do, or maybe you don't and you have this palette and you just want some inspiration, then just continue watching. Hey guys, so I know I look a little crazy right now. I just have my face on and my eyebrows on, and then I wiped my lips clean and just threw a little bit of clear lip gloss right over them because I just need that extra vitamin E and shea butter right now because my lips are a little bit on the drier side moving into these fall months. Okay, in today's look, we are using this brand new PUR Midnight Masquerade palette. You guys, get ready. I'm gonna try a new technique today that kind of goes above and then it's like a full cut crease. I have a lot of extra skin and severely hooded eyes, so I'm not sure it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it out. The very first color I'm going in with is right here, Sneak Peek. It's this darker brown, and I'm using the Morphe G13. I have never used a PUR palette before, so I'm really excited to kind of get to know their pigments. I'm just gonna go through and place this right at my crease, and I'm going all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. Just going to keep packing this darker color right through my crease. Next, I'm gonna pick up Reveal, which is this purpley more shade right here with the Morphe M433. And I'm just taking this purple color right kind of closer to the top of that crease shade and then just really blending it out. You guys, these pigments are really, really nice. I'm liking the way this is blending together. Now I'm gonna go through and grab this pink shade. I believe it's actually a blush. It's called Hidden Secret, and with a clean Morphe M433, I'm gonna pick up some of that pigment. I'm really tapping off that pigment, you guys. I don't want a lot because it's very pink, and I'm just gonna come through here and really blend this out through my transition. Now I'm gonna pick up a Morphe M441. Again, this is a clean brush, and I'm just gonna go through and kind of circular motions blend all of this out. Picking up a G13 with that darker Sneak Peek color, and I'm just gonna pack that onto the crease right through here just to darken that up a bit. I'm gonna come back through with Reveal, which is this more purpley color on a Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna pop that color right under my eye on my bottom lash line. Okay, you guys, now we're moving into the cut crease. I'm so excited. I'm just taking Tarte Shape Tape, throwing a little on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna grab this concealing brush. It's like a double-ended, I don't even know what brand this is, you guys. I don't know, but it's just a really flat, like precision concealing brush. I'll show you guys. Okay, sorry my mirror's in the bottom of your guys' screen. That's just the way it goes for a minute. Picking up a little bit of this Tarte Shape Tape concealer, not too much, and here we go. And then I'm gonna open my eye, and then wherever it touches, that's the top of the cut crease. Mine's gonna be very high because I have a very hooded eye. Can you guys see where it's at now? So now I'm gonna connect those two. Okay, now that we have that cut out, I'm gonna go through with my really light shimmer shade, kind of like a champagne color. Coming through with this lighter color right here. Yes, this is a highlight. That's fine. We're gonna use that as eyeshadow. Grabbing another concealer brush and just dipping that in. And then I'm just gonna come through here and press this on all over that concealer. So now you guys can see, although I have a hooded eye, you can see all of the shades that we used because I took that cut crease high enough. Now I'm gonna come through with this purple glitter shade, Disguise, and I'm gonna throw this right on my bottom lash line. With the Morphe M432, just stamping it right along here as close as I can to my natural lashes. Now taking Hidden Secret, I'm gonna use the Sephora 55 brush and just pick up a tiny, tiny little bit. You guys, this is super pigmented. And with a very light hand, I'm gonna throw this on my cheeks for blush. Then I'm gonna grab Twilight again, and I'm gonna use this as highlight. Going through with Twilight again, now I'm just going to highlight my brow bones. Today I'm wearing my absolute favorite lashes. They are the iconic light lashes from House of Lashes. And as you guys can see, they are shorter on this side and longer on this side, which is what I love about them because they give this nice winged effect. Okay guys, lashes are on. I'm going to take a little bit of Eye Sense and just go right over the lash band so that it blends really well. Now I'm just going to take this eyeliner and place it on my waterline on the very top to help blend my natural lashes to my fake lashes. Just kind of filling this blank space in. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to put a little bit of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And to finish off this look, I am going to throw on some rose gold gloss. Okay, that is our finished look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here. And if you guys are BoxyCharm subscribers and you guys received the Midnight Masquerade PUR palette, then I hope this is just one look that you guys can recreate out of the many possibilities with this gorgeous palette. If you guys found this tutorial helpful for hooded eyes, then please give it a thumbs up down below and don't forget to subscribe.